friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining us for the first time, I'm Coco, and you definitely want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're never late to another reunion. Also, don't forget to tap the gray bell so that you get notified every time we reunite. Black History Month might technically be over based on the calendar days, but we know it's not the end of our celebration of chocolate people. And now we're in March, which is Women's Month, so I am very excited to partner with Kreyol Essence, a Black, Haitian-owned, and female-owned social business that's aiming to bring natural hair, body, and skin products from Haiti to the rest of the world. Today I'm going to be reviewing 2 of their premium oils to see, were we able to tackle this dry skin and hair? Because y'all know I got Gobi Desert dry skin and hair, okay? Gobi Desert. Since I transitioned from relaxed to natural, I've been looking for products, especially moisturizing products, that will help my hair grow stronger and healthier and faster. Being that Kreyol Essence is Haitian owned and I'm Haitian, I am extremely proud to be able to bring you guys a brand that has such a great mission and authentic products. Kreyol Essence is the first company to launch Haitian beauty products at Whole Foods markets and can be found in 250 Whole Foods stores nationwide. Their motto is natural with purpose, and each purchase helps farmers and women in Haiti, promotes Caribbean development, Black girl magic, and high-end retailers recognizing the curly community. All of their products are natural, cruelty-free, and eco-friendly, so you can definitely treat yourself to an eco-luxury experience without compromising quality. Plus, it's a natural alternative to other products that claim to stimulate the hair follicles. Today, I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on their 100% pure Haitian black castor oil and the 100% pure Haitian moringa oil. If you grew up Haitian, you probably know that l'huile wasquiti or Haitian black castor oil has saved your life more than once. It's often used for curing illnesses or rubbing over the body to release toxins, and also when there are aches and pains. Haitian black castor oil is considered the liquid gold of the Caribbean. Duh. Kreyol Essence's 100% pure Haitian black castor oil delivers maximum hydration for hair and is also great for the skin and medicinal purposes, literally saving lives. It promotes thick, shiny, and long hair. It's loaded with omega fatty acids 3, 6, and 9 and vitamins. It helps to regrow and thicken eyebrows and eyelashes while soothing muscle aches and fading stretch marks naturally. Kreyol Essence's Haitian black castor oil is available in 4 scents: original, lavender hibiscus, chocolate, and rosemary mint. It's also available in multiple sizes, so check those out. There are many ways to use the 100% pure Haitian black castor oil. However, for the purpose of this video, I used it as a deep conditioning / pre-poo treatment on dry and wet hair before washing. Then I co-washed my hair, and then I used it on damp hair as kind of a leave-in scalp oil treatment. And then finally I used it as a finishing oil after taking out my twists. On my face, I will be applying the Haitian black castor oil to my eyebrows because y'all know I don't have any, and your girl's trying to get some, okay? So before we get into how I use the oil, let's talk about the bottle itself. So it does come in a glass bottle. It's glass, but it is pretty durable because I dropped it twice and it didn't break. So shout out to Kreyol Essence for that. It has that dark brown coating. It has a faux wooden cap and then a white rubber stopper. On the front of it, on the clear plastic label, it does say Kreyol Essence at the top. 100% pure Haitian black castor oil. It says it promotes thicker, longer hair and to hydrate and smooth skin. And this one that I'm trying is in the rosemary mint scent. On the back, they do list the ingredients, and there are only 3 ingredients: the rosemary oil, peppermint oil, and of course the pure Haitian black castor oil. Now, upon opening the bottle, you do see, of course, through the stopper, you see the oil, which is that yellow gold color. Like they said, it's liquid gold of the Caribbean. They weren't lying, okay? It's gold. It's gold as it should be, as pure Haitian black castor oil is. So that's exciting. I will tell you guys that it, I've obviously smelled it before, but that rosemary peppermint smell is definitely there. You get hints of both. It does smell minty. Your hair will smell minty. So just no qualms about that. Just know if you get the rosemary mint scent, your hair is gonna smell minty, okay? Now let's get into the oil. So I'm starting off with my hair fresh out of some braids. I'm gonna take the Kreyol Essence 100% pure Haitian black castor oil. And as I pull the oil out of the bottle, you can see that it is that gold color. I'm gonna start parting my hair in random places, no rhyme or rhythm. I'm going to just apply the oil directly to my scalp, and I'm going to massage it into the scalp. And it's okay if it gets on the hair because we're gonna wash it out anyway. And I'm just gonna continue doing that, especially around the perimeter of my hair, which is usually where, you know, under protective styles it gets really thin and it gets damaged. So I definitely want to concentrate some oil there. So I'm just going to continue applying in the same way. Now the directions do say that you should apply to damp hair, so I'm going to grab my spray bottle and spray my whole head, and then I'm going to go in and just continue applying the oil directly to my scalp and just massaging it in. I'm going to take a few drops of the oil in the palm of my hands, as you can see, heavy-handed. And I'm going to rub my palms together and just go through the hair and over it, just coating the entire head with the oil. I'm going to loosely part my hair just to make sure that each section gets an even coating of oil. And of course, I'm going to take a few more drops, rub between the palm of my hands to heat it up, and go through those other sections to make sure they get some love as well. And just looking at the back of the hair, you can already see that shine coming through. Now that my entire scalp and hair are coated, I'm going to take a plastic cap and put it on my hair. I'm also going to take a black scarf and put it on top of the plastic cap to protect my pillowcases and clothing, and also to add a little bit more heat so the whole thing is tied up. And before we go about our business, we're just going to take a few more drops of the castor oil, and we're going to place it on our fingertips and directly on our eyebrows. We're actually going to take that excess that's on our fingertips and apply it to our eyelashes, because why not, right? After leaving the scalp treatment on for a few hours, we're taking it all off, and look at that glisten. It's like the turkey just came out of the oven, baby. It's time to wash. So we've co-washed our hair. It's clean, it's glistening, it's soft, it's pillowy. Our eyebrows are flourishing, the forehead is out. Yes, now we're going to repeat the process. We're going to again part our hair, apply the oil, this time concentrating on the scalp and just massaging it in. And we're going to do that all over the head. This is the finished look the next morning. I'm going to take again a few drops into the palm of my hands, rub together, and just use it to help kind of as a finishing oil to untwist my hair. Once I'm finished untwisting and I've fluffed a little bit, I'm going to take a few more drops and rub again and just apply all over for a little added extra shine. Once we're done, this is pretty much the final look. As you can see, it's moisturized, it feels very soft, it's glowing. So after using the Haitian black castor oil on my hair and taking it out, I noticed that my hair is still very, very soft. I didn't use too much product on this twist out because I didn't want to compromise the actual result of the product itself. So this is kind of my hair in its pretty much natural state. And I did use it as a finishing oil, as you guys saw in the video. And I do think that it added shine. It still was shiny when I took the twist out. It was still shiny when I got out of the shower. It still smelled like mint this morning. It still smells like mint right now. It's gonna smell like mint tomorrow probably, which I liked. I did notice that I was a little bit heavy-handed, so I definitely will probably use less in the leave-in stage, I will use a little less of the oil, just because everybody in my house was asking me, what's that minty smell? It was my head. So, but other than that, I have no complaints about this. It definitely, I noticed after the pre-poo treatment that my hair was so soft and pillowy. It definitely still feels pillowy. I didn't let it dry all the way, so there definitely is some frizz, but overall it still feels very, very soft. The one thing I will say about this is that although I love that the stopper is kind of that more rounded top, which is very soft on the scalp, which is great for applying directly to the scalp, I don't know if it's just me, but it was a little bit messy, and I think that's why the label is, I just got some on my finger, I think that's why the label is plastic, or clear, because it just kind of rolls down the bottom. But other than that, this is a win. And this is in the 3.4 ounce bottle, which is great because I don't even need to worry about traveling with it. I can just toss it in my beauty bag and keep it going. And then I have a deep conditioner, a moisturizer, leave-in, whatever, all in one. And I can't wait to see the results on my eyebrows, because I hope I have some soon. While you can definitely use the Haitian black castor oil on your skin, again, for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be using the 100% pure Haitian moringa oil. Haitian moringa oil is set to be beauty's next big thing and the next it product in skincare. Kreyol Essence considers it to be the natural Botox because of its anti-aging properties, and who doesn't want that? Kreyol Essence is 100% pure Haitian moringa oil, provides a face glow naturally, it delivers minerals and vitamins to the face and hair, it promotes silky soft skin and hair while absorbing quickly, it fights the effects of pollution, which, since I live in New York, that is absolutely appreciated. So again, we're just going to talk about the design of the bottle really quickly. It is similar to the Haitian black castor oil bottle. The only difference that I can tell, other than it being obviously smaller, is that it does have a white paper label. It feels like paper, but any makeup that I had on it wipes right off, which is great. The label does say it is 100% pure Haitian moringa oil, and it's nourishing the face, and it's a nourishing face and body oil, and there is only one ingredient. This particular bottle is in the 15 milliliter size, so again, travel friendly, and since it is primarily going to be my face oil, I think I'm okay with this size for now. On first glance, when you do grab some of the oil into the stopper, you can see it's kind of this almost like a foggy clear color. It's like almost clear, but not exactly milky either. It definitely, you can tell, is not as thick as the Haitian black castor oil, which is good to know because you are going to be putting it on the face. It doesn't have as strong of a scent, which is also good. Yeah, it definitely smells natural. It doesn't smell bad or leafy or like herbs or anything like that, but it definitely smells natural, and it is, like I said, not as thick as the castor oil. So let's get into the moringa oil. Just like the directions say, I'm going to take my Haitian moringa oil. You can see it's kind of that filmy liquid, and I'm going to apply it directly onto a clean face, starting at the forehead, going down the sides of the face, and of course on the cheeks. I'm then going to take my fingertips and massage the oil directly into my skin, concentrating on the driest parts. And of course, we cannot forget this beautiful forehead. Hello! And I'm done. I'm greasy and I'm going to bed. Once again, I will say that I am definitely Haitian because I am extremely heavy-handed. And while it was perfectly fine to use a little bit more product because I was going to sleep and it was nighttime and I would have time for the product to absorb, in the future I will definitely be applying less product, especially for daytime use. The oil, however, did completely absorb into my skin. I did not wake up with a greasy face or anything like that. I actually decided to try and use a little bit as a moisturizer this morning, applying it directly to my face before applying any makeup. I also did not use a primer, and I think it definitely added an extra glow. I have normal to dry skin, like I said before, so I don't have problems being oily or anything like that, but it definitely added a glow, and I've been wearing this face pretty much all day. And I will absolutely say that it left my skin baby smooth. I'm actually going to definitely be using this on my lips also, because they've been a little dry and a little chapped lately, so I'll be using this on my lips. I think this is also a great thing to use, either adding it to a lotion or just using it directly as a body oil, because the way my body was soft, who want to touch me? I know you want to touch me. My overall thoughts on both the Kreyol Essence 100% Pure Haitian Black Castor Oil and the 100% Pure Haitian Moringa Oil. I love these things. I need more. I need bigger sizes. Yeah, I want to try all the products now. I will just remind you guys, don't be as heavy-handed as I was. If you're not into strong scents, you definitely want to be light-handed, especially with this guy right here. The applicator was much easier to use on this bottle. I think that's because I really just did too much with this one. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, but I'm going to continue using these products, and I will keep you guys updated. I am extremely excited to try more products from Kreyol Essence because, like I said, they're Haitian owned, I'm Haitian, and if I can bring you guys products that actually work and that are good for you and that promote the Haitian culture, I think everybody wins. My skin is soft, my hair is soft, and we're just going to be glowing all summer long. So just so you guys know, Kreyol Essence also offers an extensive line of shampoo, conditioner, hair milk, pomade, and hair and body butters. They are all infused with 100% pure Haitian black castor oil and are aimed towards promoting growth and also moisturizing and replenishing dry and damaged hair. Their products are perfect for holiday gifting and getting that extra winter hydration before the new year or around the new year. They're also great for giving as birthday gifts. You can purchase them as individuals, in duos, and as sets. You can purchase Kreyol Essence products, including the Haitian Black Castor Oil and the Haitian Moringa Oil, online and in select Whole Foods stores. You can visit Kreyol Essence, that's KREYOLESSENCE.com for more information on these products and for specific store locations. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you will try the 100% pure Haitian black castor oil, the 100% pure Haitian moringa oil, or both. Let me know. As always, whether you're chocolat, milk chocolat, dark chocolat, vanilla chocolat, lait canation, whatever you want to be, you are and always will be a goddess. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.